Assalamu alaikum. Our lesson today is about work. The objectives of this lesson to define work حتى نعرف ما هو العمل. Calculate the work in simple problems. يعني بدنا نعمل عملية حسابية لقد ايه كمية العمل أو الشغل اللي أنجزت في مسائل بسيطة. نركز شوي على كلمتين. force معناها قوة، displacement إزاحة من مكان إلى مكان آخر. Force is needed to move objects from one place to another. أن القوة نحتاجها لتحريك الأجسام من مكان إلى مكان آخر. When this displacement occurs, عندما تحدث هذه الإزاحة, we say that this force did work. عندما يكون الفورس أن القوة أنجزت إزاحة فهناك عمل. We must know doing work needs force and displacement have the same direction. إن إنجاز العمل يحتاج إلى قوة وإزاحة تكون في نفس الاتجاه. This car is moving. This car has a force and displacement. We can say this car did a work. This boy throws the ball from top to bottom. The force that caused the movement is the force of gravity. It has work. The child exerts force but doesn't change the location of weights. This child did not do work. While man exerts force to move the wall, but there is no displacement. لا يوجد إزاحة. No work. We conclude that any moving object has work because it has force and displacement. How to compare the works having different forces but the same distance. كيف نقارن عملين لهما قوة مختلفة ولكن على نفس المسافة. The boys are moving the boxes to the same place. نلاحظ عنا ال A وال B same distance بدنا يودوهن ولكن في عندن different force لأنه الأثقال مختلفة. Which boy in the figure is exerting more force؟ أكيد A force of A is greater than force of B. Which boy is moving the boxes a longer distance؟ مين زاحن للبوكسز مسافة أطول؟ طبعا مبين إنه هنا they have same distance. Who is doing more work? Why؟ طبعا في عنا ال work of A is greater than work of B لأنه عندنا same distance but the force of A is greater than force of B. How to compare two works having same force and different distance. كيف نقارن عملين لهم نفس القوة ولكن لمسافات مختلفة. The boys are moving the boxes to different places. بنلاحظ انه بدنا يودوهن لمسافات مختلفة ولكن they have same force. لأنه الأثقال اللي حملها ال two boys they are equal. Compare the two forces exerted by the two boys in the figure. طبعا the two forces are equal. Which boy is moving the boxes a longer distance؟ طبعا ال distance of B is greater than distance of A. Who does more work؟ أكيد ال work of B is more work of mean of A. Now, how to calculate work؟ كيف نحسب الورك؟ We use this formula. نستخدم هذه المعادلة. نكتب work joule equal force newton times distance meter. work joule equal force newton times distance meter. الunits of work هي جول. force اليونت اللي لها بتقاس بالنيوتن. distance بالمتر. This exercise calculate how much work is done in pushing the cart with a force 40 Newton up. نكتب work equal force times distance. طبعا مكتوبين باختصار. work joule equal force نيوتن times distance meter. force القوة 40 نيوتن, distance 5 meter equal 200 joules. In this exercise, to compare the work of two objects, A and B. A has force 30 newton and distance 50 meter. B has force 20 newton and distance 70 meter. Compare the work of A and work of B. In A, work joule equal force newton times distance meter. We apply the formula. Force 30 newton, distance 50 meter. 30 times 50 equal 1500 joule. In B, work كمان نعمل applying the formula. Work equal force times distance. Force 20 newton, distance 70 meter. 20 times 70 meter equal 1400 joules. Then we compare the two work. 1500 joule is greater than 1400 joule. Then work of A is greater than work of B.